Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today we will learn how lemon tea can help in your weight loss journey. As you all know, lemon is rich source of vitamin C. It plays an important role in repair and development of body tissues and the body. The tea is packed with antioxidant which is good for skin and hair. Lemon tea helps in detoxifying the body. The citric acid in lemon helps to purify the liver. It helps to promote healthy heart by preventive cardiac problems. Lemon tea when combined with a warm glass of water serves as an effective home remedy to treat swollen gums. The small protein of fiber present in lemon helps to boost digestive function. Since we now know the benefits, let us learn how to make lemon tea. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 2 inch ginger, half lemon, 1 pinch of salt, half tablespoon tea powder, 8 to 10 black pepper and 4 to 6 cloves, 2 spoon honey. First make powder of black pepper and cloves. Like this. Now grate the ginger. Take a pan, then add 2 cups of water. Black pepper and cloves powder. Ginger. Salt to it. Boil it for 4 to 5 minutes. Then take a cup, glass and put 2 spoons of honey in it. And then filter the tea and put it in the glass. Now mix it. Finally, pour half lemon in the glass. Mix it well. Ready to serve and drink. It is generally suggested to drink lemon tea in the morning on empty stomach. Lemon tea is one of the cheapest beverage that comes with many benefits, which is rote adding to your diet. Hope you try it yourself.